Are you? Is that English?
Hey yo guys, what's up? We're back again with a brand new video. You already know
FoolHardy family. How you do, bro? Big Smoke, Slick Vic, back at it again, doing the big things, reacting to a video that you guys requested. For this one, we have no idea what we're going to react to. But it says here, it's in Russian, Maslо Черного Tmina. Аппарат. Bro, I can't read Russian good, bro. Президента 2.
Аппарат Президента. Damn, Russian language is so damn hard, guys.
Yeah, so I don't even know what the hell that means, but we're gonna get into this reaction.
Of course.
You guys requested it, and we're gonna do a reaction to everything that you guys request to when we have the time to do so. So without further ado, I'd like to say that you guys should subscribe to this channel and to the other FoolHardy channels, do the most. We appreciate you guys. We're going up, and yeah, man, follow us on Instagram if you want to see our life and what we're about, our personal, personalized. So yeah, man, before we, let's go into the video, bro.
Может, вам тоже прислали уведомление?
Тогда не стоит долго ждать. Заберите бонус до 140 тысяч тенге по ссылке, закреплено в комментарии.
Может оплатить любой выигрыш.
Boom. Let me get back. I don't know what you're gonna see. Let me get back and see what's going on.
Аппарат Президента, Масло Черного Тмина. Something tells me the song is gonna be fire.
The beginning.
Yeah. But it sounds dope, bro. I like the video, I like the creativity, I like the flow. The guy's dope.
See how good he went? How low he went?
Are you? Is that English or what?
Yeah, I think so.
Yo, man, we're busy speaking while we're reacting. That's us. That's what we do, guys. We're unique like that. But anyway, bro, what do you think of this song? It's almost finishing, right? No, only.
No, it's just like, because we were enjoying it.
Because we enjoy it.
That's why.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's nice. I really like it.
So yeah, man, this guy reminds me of Scriptonit with long hair, but he's dope.
You thought it was script?
No, he reminds me of Scriptonit, but he has that vibe about him. He's dope. He's nice.
But the way you want to know, like.
Yeah, that part was dope.
The next one.
And the beat stopped. Yeah, it came back. That was a nice thing to do. Really, I respect that, bro. Yeah, man, let's get back into the song. I like the video though also.
Yeah.
But the
black.
he's only smoking cigarette and doing this shit and looking and the camera is good, but it looks dope.
But I was like, oh, what is he smoking? I was focusing.
Yeah.
And that's when I smoking cigarette. I thought that it was a joke. And the way he hold it like.
It is only
just like a small cigarette.
It's acting cool and shit, bro. Yeah, but you're cool, bro. What you're doing is nice, bro.
Yeah,
really.
of course, my G.
It's just like, it's
nice thing.
really, bro. not a cigarette. It's not a cigarette, bro. Guys.
Tell us what is this guy smoking? Is it a cigarette or what?
Oh, it's finished. Guys, in the comment section down below, write if you guys smoking a cigarette or joint. We really want to know what he's smoking. We're just interested.
Yeah.
We don't smoke either, but we want to know
we
what
don't smoke.
If you think we are smoking is your problem. I'm not even smoking
I
Kalian.
don't smoke shit.
I don't smoke anything. The only thing I smoke is the niggas that want smoke, nigga. Shit. Wu gang, bro. I'm joking,
bro.
I'm not a gang.
Okay, bro. It's just FoolHardy gang. That's all.
Nah, I want no smoke, nigga. I want no smoke, bro.
Yeah, no
I'm trying to
smoke.
get no fake, bro.
Yeah, of course, man.
Yeah, man, this brings us to the conclusion of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like down below, comment, share the video, subscribe to our channel, follow him and follow me and follow everyone else. We love you guys. Bam.
Peace.
Bro, press the red button.
Yeah, the goddamn red button.
Bro, press the red button. Why are you dancing, bro? Press the red button. Press the red button. Press the red button, bro. The red.
Lahma.
Yallah!